everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you something very interesting here. Okay, here's what's interesting about this. This is a SanDisk wireless thumb drive, aka wireless stick when it shows up on here. You have your Wi-Fi symbol, and not only that, it's USB 3.1. That's what the red means. So here's how this works. I'm going to show you. You take the wireless stick, put it into your computer. The computer will recognize it. It's marked as removable drive F. So here is what you do. So first of all, you go into it. Go to removable disk. And this is all the data that's on it. So I'm going to make a copy of Advanced Antivirus. That's a shortcut. I'm going to exit out. Now, here is what you do. You go to your App Store or Google Play Store and you download something called Connect Drive. So I'm going to download that. All right. So it is downloading right now. It's not a very big program. All right, so we open it up. Of course, you have to view the license agreement, which I will view, and I do accept. All right, so it's connecting. What'll happen is it'll connect to that drive, and what happens is anything in there, it'll tell me how much data is on the drive. Right, so I'm going to click OK. Now I understand the privacy agreement here. Okay, so we'll go back. I can go to Menu, My Downloads. It says my downloads are empty. Why is that? Because I don't have anything on there to download right now. So I could download stuff from my Connect drive and save it to my phone. So let me make sure that Bluetooth is on. It is not on. That's why it's not working. So I turned it on, as you could see. Okay, so now if I go back, click My Downloads, Menu, My Downloads. So now what I could do is I could disconnect a drive because it has a battery in it. It says Eject Wireless Stick. Eject it. right? So there's a power button on the side of it. So if I push that, the stick turns on. So now, if I scroll back, now I'm going to see the tips to connect. So what I have to do now, this is flashing. And I like to look at tips and stuff like that just to get an idea of certain things and ideas. So this is flashing. So what I have to do is go to my Wi-Fi settings, and I'm connected Wi-Fi. Turn that on. It's a password. So I don't remember actually putting a password on here, but it's there. So once I connect to it, I can download all my files. So I got to figure out what my password is to get in there. I haven't used this thing in so long. And it tells me the iPhone space is 2%. It'll tell me if it's significantly charged. So I have to figure out what my password is. So give me just a second and I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to factory reset it just to get in there. So now I'm going to connect to SanDisk. Alright, so we are connected. So now what I'm going to do is going to go back into SanDisk. Right? So this is telling me I am connected. Right? So it's telling me all the stuff it can do. I could save videos. Right? So we click Get Started. So I'm going to try Wi-Fi here. I'm connected. So if I open that up, it tells me what music is there. So I could say photos. These are all the default photos. It's all from this stick right here. Right? That antivirus I put on earlier is there. It's telling me it's unsupported, but that's okay. So this is really cool. I could do layout. It tells me what's on here. It's all done through Wi-Fi. And I will put a password to it just so nobody can get in there. Right? So now it says drive battery remaining, iPhone space, and it says drive space remaining is 100% since I don't have anything on there. So, as I showed you, I put something on there and it read that it was on there. Yes, it was an unsupported file format, but this does work. And just to recap here, this is a USB 3.1 device. And you put it on like that. There you go. So there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.